Diplex Coin. What is DLX? Diplex Coin, DLX, is an open-source electronic currency that runs on the X13 algorithm. DLX can be used for instant payments anywhere in the world. The emphasis is on transaction speed and security. Blockchain launch date, August 12, 2018. Algorithm, proof of stake, X13. Block time, 1 minute. Payments are made on a daily basis. Max number of coins, 10 billion DLX. Mining percentage, 0.7 to 1%. What's proof of stake, POS? This is one type of mining. POS, share confirmation, which uses an algorithm for distributing coins in the chain. You will be rewarded with additional coins during the minting process. The idea behind proof of stake is to solve the proof of work problem of high energy costs and financial investments. About safety and technology. In 2014, a new method of cryptographic encryption, the X11 algorithm, was introduced in the world. Later, improved versions of the algorithm were developed, which include X12, X13, X14, X15, X16R, and X17. The first cryptocurrency, which was built on X11, is Darkcoin, now known as Dash. The number in the name of the algorithm denotes the number of hashing loops, as well as the types of functions that are used in the X13 algorithm. The X13 algorithm uses 13 loops with 13 hash functions. This feature makes the algorithm one of the most reliable in the modern world of cryptocurrency. About safety and technology. The algorithms of the X family were created for mining on graphics processing units, GPUs, where low power consumption and good profitability are ensured. The principle of work is as follows. Each result of a subfunction is passed to the next sub-algorithm, and so happens X times. Thus, the creation of ASIC miners for this method of work will be difficult, because the hardware will have logical inputs for each algorithm on its own chip, which significantly increases the complexity of production and cost of computing equipment. How to buy it? You can buy it on exchanges represented in different countries and different languages. Diplex Coin is traded in pairs with Bitcoin, or you can buy at the official exchanger for any currency. Where to deposit it or how to open wallet? There are many options. Web wallet at www.diplex-wallet.com. Diplex Bot is available in several versions, or any exchange where you can buy Diplex and IT products released by Diplex Group. How to earn? Passive investment. Coin mines from 0.7 to 1% per day. Active investment. Coin mines from 0.7 to 1% per day. Referral fee up to 30%. Where it is used. In IT projects aimed at increasing the number of coins. In companies that are members of the Diplex Group when buying for DLX services such as website creation and promotion, design and maintenance of social networks, development of brand book and corporate identity, as well as legal, financial, accounting, marketing, and other services. In online stores with an assortment of goods and worldwide delivery. How do I know about products, partners, promotions, and new opportunities? Official news, www.diplexnews.com. All information is available on the official website, www.diplex-group.com. With Diplex Group, it's easy to invest in cryptocurrency. Directories of companies that use Diplex Coin. To get timely information about new partners, you can go to the main website, www.diplex-group.com. In the menu to category, where is DLX used? Here is a list of all current partners who use the coin as a means of payment, as well as IT products to increase the amount of your crypt coin. Diplex Bot Project. Earn up to 1% per day. Referral system 7 lines deep. Boat check-in in 15 seconds. Bot is multilingual. Career development, present. Diplex Bot Project. There are 3 conditions to be fulfilled. Number 1, you must have a personal deposit from which you receive the reward in 24 hours. Number 2, in your personal, 1 line of invited participants must be the total volume, according to marketing. Number 3, it is necessary to mine the necessary volume. If you meet the conditions, you will receive an increase in your status and, accordingly, an increased rate of mining on your personal deposit and an increased rate of each referral line. The number of participants in the referral program is not limited. You can see the conditions for each status on the website www.diplex-bot.com. Diplex Matrix Project. Earn 420% per team. First line, 10%. Second line, 20%. Third line, 40%. Login options and other details can be found on www.dlx-matrix.com. Diplex Matrix Project. Payment is made immediately from each connected. You do not need to wait until your matrix closes. After closing 14 places in your matrix, you have the option to reinvest the matrix. Diplex Matrix Project. Personally invited. Got 10%. Login options and other options can be found on www.dlx-matrix.com. With Diplex Group, it's easy to invest in cryptocurrency.